Alright, how to factory reset the Kwikset Obsidian. The first step we're going to do is we're going to remove this back plate. There's 2 screws here on the side, 1 here on the top. We're going to remove that. We're going to grab this top piece out. This is going to be the battery pack. Make sure the batteries are in there correctly. And then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to click this program button. So we're going to drop the battery pack in, hold the program button for 30 seconds. And so that right there is going to initiate the factory resetting process. So we're just going to sit here and wait for 30 seconds until it beeps. When we hear the beep, that's when we know, hey, we need to take our thumb off, and we're going to have it flash red twice. On the second one, that's when we're going to re-click it and finish up the factory resetting process. So there we go. We got 1, 2, click the program button again. It'll flash a bunch of funky colors. There you go. Got one more beep. And then if it was connected to the door, we would hear the rehanding process, knowing that you completed the process of factory resetting the Kwikset Obsidian.